All right, so what we're gonna do here is some recap. Okay, so almost 3 weeks are over since I opened new account. You can see it's today we got one June 19, 2020. Okay, I opened account 1st June for the purpose to show you how you can make six figures with the dropshipping and not to talking about six figures only, but to make you actually step by step. That's why I opened new account. So far in the 3 weeks, I got what 14 feedbacks. Uh, Pretty good. I can sell up to 200 items. They raised my limits very fast because I got a quick sales strategy straight away into here, right? And 92 sold so far. Okay, so selling on eBay.com. If you wonder why those numbers, why those the Canadian dollars here, because I'm international, located in Canada, selling from Canada. Okay, well, I'm not selling from Canada. I'm selling in from US to US, but my location is Canada. So for you internationals, probably you have your own maybe here, or if you have dollars here, it doesn't matter. It's okay. So anyway, still got some sales today. As you can see, there is a 6 items have to be shipped today. It's not bad. It's lunchtime, and expecting about 10 more, 10, 15 sales maybe later during the day till evening. Okay. What else? What else I can tell you? Not so much to. Yeah, I need to leave feedbacks and I need to ship 4 items. Yeah, 4 items. So either it's six there because it's sometimes it's they buy 2 items at once and I need to ship them, or I didn't mark maybe some shipped. I don't know. Have been working all morning. What else I can show you here? Not very much because I don't want to go into my sensitive information area, but this is I can give you some tips, guys. Probably this is manual dropshipping, you know already. Okay, manual dropshipping. You see I made new account. You can watch the video where was video taken 1st June when I opened new account, and here was only first item unlisted. Okay, now 3 weeks and I sold almost 100. For some of you it sounds like, well, it's impossible. Well, to be honest, for the regular or average dropshipper it is not possible, because you have to know something to create numbers like this. I'm not boosting. This is, you see, I'm not the millionaire here because I used to sell very cheap items. I used to implement the 7.99 tactic. For those who have 7.99 course, you know what I'm talking about. For those who don't, I can't give you more better information as it is in the 799 course already. So that's how you can generate the numbers like this and sales like this. So first month, now on this month, June, still for 1 week, I will be about concentrating all my efforts to make more sales, as much possible sales. Okay. And July I will be working on the profits, more on the profits, switch kind of like strategy from sales to profits. Okay, and this is what I have been explaining you in videos here, and in a dropshipping program, the free dropshipping program, what I'm teaching here, and Dropship and Grow Rich, you can see this development step by step. Why I'm doing this? First of all, I want to show you how you can do the same. Doesn't matter where you live, because if you're selling on eBay.com, we have pretty much the same position at the very beginning. Okay, you are international, perhaps. If you are American, it's good to you because you don't have such a stupid limits like we do have internationals, right? And you have all much more possibilities, more possibilities than we internationals have on selling on eBay.com. In my understanding, it's very difficult to be in a lack of money in America if you sell. You have so many things to, all those cashbacks, all those cards, all those possibilities if you run out of stock and all the privileges. So it's just amazing. what Americans can do if they are selling. So you know already, only manual dropshipping. I have no paid tools. There is no ads, nothing you can do here. It's just everything you use for free. Okay, I would say how you. This is, you can call another topic, maybe this dropshipping journey here. How to make six figures on a shoestring budget. Okay, you see, I don't have six figures yet. Sure, I don't. If you want to see my six-figure account, you need to watch another video. This one, this program here is how to do this from the ground level zero. Okay, first item, first sale, first feedback, first whatever it is, first request, or maybe first negative feedback, whatever it will gonna come. I don't know yet, so it will gonna be. This is just a journey. Okay, and being 3 weeks into this, I just thought maybe I will do some quick recap. Okay, so any comments, please, questions, comments below the video. If you have some questions and comments, I want to encourage you guys, one more thing. This is very, very kind of like a good thing to say. June 19, this is the craziest time in a year to make sales. I mean, not the best one. It's the most quiet time has been always. The summertime is the most quiet time always. Okay, I have been doing dropshipping since 2014. Every summer is quiet. The sales starts to come up into the August somewhere. Okay, well, kind of like back to school. But here is a little bit but. Now the sales are going crazy just because of the COVID. If you know what I'm talking about, if you're not watching after 10 years this video, you know probably what I'm talking about, okay? People are sitting at home. People are more likely they want to buy online something. So to get the results like this is not like Superman, supernatural, some tricks and whatever it is. No, you just need to know some simple steps what to do. And again, I explain those steps day by day, what you have to do for what price, what items you have to list. It's in $7.99. If you want shortcut, quick, speedy results, you go to $7.99 and follow the course. If no, if you have plenty of time, you can follow me here on the YouTube. I will gonna upload and bring you to the journey slowly on a slow mode, kind of like. Okay, so be encouraged. Take your chances, sell it. It's very, very good time to sell now, even if it's the lowest, uh, quiet, more quiet time than when the spring, when the autumn will come and crazy season of sales season like fourth quarter. It will be crazy then. Okay. All right, so it's just wanted to give you some update in the 3 weeks. Next update I will make when I will be what? In 1 month, okay? So July 1st, 2nd, something like this will gonna be next account update for you, that to prove you and to show you that what you can do the same. I just want you to follow my progress and to you know, it's one thing to talk about, another thing is to show you that actually it's growing, okay? Actually it's working. All right, okay guys, take care and see you on the next video. Bye bye.